In my opinion, whenever you're working towards a goal, not only having the right speed but having the right direction is quite essential. To me, FIITJEE showed me the ray of light that I had to follow to achieve whatever goals I had laid out for me. I joined FIITJEE in 2022 by giving the Big Bang Edge test in the 3-year classroom program. I feel that in our daily life, whenever we have any aim or goal that we wish to achieve, we idealize others, we feel inspired by them, but we somehow try to copy them in a way which won't work for us. Two different people will have two different success stories. Everyone will have a different part. Trying to apply the formula that worked for one person may not necessarily mean that you too will succeed through that. Of course, you can be inspired by their achievements. You can feel motivated by looking at someone grow. You can be inspired by the way how they reach from point A to point B. But the thing is that your point A and your point B is different from their point A and their point B. FIITJEE showed me how I had to get to my point B.